let's take a look at how to solve this challenge of animating player 2. So the first thing I want to do is I need to isolate player 1 and player 2 logic. So in order to do that, I need a handle onto the player class so that I can check the variable is player 1 or is player 2. So I'm going to create my handle. So we're going to say here private player underscore player. We'll get the assign the handle. So we'll say player equals get component. And the reason why we don't have to do GameObject.find here is because we're already on the player. So because we're already on the player, because the script is attached to it, I can just type get component and get whatever component I want. So we're going to get component and I want the player class. So we initialize that. Next, I'm going to come down here into update. And this is the animation control for player 1. So I'm simply just going to say if player 1, do all that code. So here we have an if statement. I'm checking for player 1, so I'm going to say underscore player dot is player 1. So if that's a true condition, then I want to do all of this code. So we're going to put this inside of here. Else, you must be player 2. So we need to create the functionality for that. So I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to paste it in here. And we need to now adjust this for player 2. So instead of a key, which is our left, or the arrow key, we're actually just going to be using 1. And that key is going to be the 4. So we're going to say keypad 4. Keypad 4. And then here, else if input.get key up, we also need to, and actually, you know what, it just occurred to me that logic. We get down a left arrow. Okay, right, because if you go up, we need to go back to idle. So here, else if input.get key up, a, instead it's going to be keypad 4. All right, so if you're holding down the keypad 4, we rotate left. If you lift up off the keypad 4, then we go back to idle. And we can remove this or statement. Next, looking at the D key, we're going to do the exact same thing. So instead of D, which is our right, we're going to say dot keypad 6. Don't need the or. And then here, else if input.get key up, keypad 6, we're going to go back to idle. Keypad 6. Okay. And that is all we had to do. Let's go ahead and save this. Let's head back to Unity. Let's go ahead and run our co-op mode here. And let's hit the space key. And let's see if we have an animation. And you'll see here, player 2 animates on his own now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the co-op series. I can't wait to see what you guys make. I'll see you in later videos.